Before we begin, I want you to pause for a moment and think about the people you love. Think about yourself. Think about your parents or grandparents. Because the next few minutes could genuinely shape the rest of your life. A study from Harvard Medical School recently uncovered something alarming. Nearly 9 out of 10 adults over the age of 65 are losing muscle at a rate that threatens their balance, their mobility, and most importantly, their independence. The frightening part is that most seniors do not notice this happening until it becomes serious. If you are over 60, or if you care for someone who is, what you are about to hear may be one of the most important lessons you ever learn about health and aging. Right now, millions of older adults around the world are unknowingly experiencing a condition called sarcopenia. Sarcopenia is the medical term for age-related muscle loss, but that simple definition doesn't show the full picture. Sarcopenia affects your legs first, long before you notice it in your arms or hands. Your legs carry your entire body weight. They stabilize you, balance you, and protect you from falls. When leg muscles weaken, everything in life becomes harder. Simple tasks like standing from a chair, climbing a few steps, or walking across a parking lot begin to feel different. A little heavier. A little slower. A little less secure than before. The truth is that muscle loss does not suddenly begin at 60. It begins around age 30, slowly reducing muscle mass by about 3 to 8% every decade. After 65, the process accelerates dramatically. But here's the encouraging truth that too few seniors ever hear: even at your age, your muscles can still rebuild. They can grow stronger. They can stabilize your balance. They can protect your independence. You simply need to give them the right support, nutritional support. Today I am going to take you through 8 powerful foods that science has proven to help seniors regain leg strength, reduce inflammation, improve balance, and restore energy. These foods are simple, natural, affordable, and available in every grocery store. And if you stay with me until the end, I will show you a short 3-minute movement that doubles the effects of these foods and activates your leg muscles in a way most seniors have never been taught. Before we continue, I want to ask you something important. Have your legs been feeling heavy lately? If yes, type heavy in the comments. If your legs still feel strong, type strong. I read every comment personally because understanding your condition helps me guide you better. Now, let us begin with the first food, because each one has a very specific scientific role to play in rebuilding your strength. Food number 1, eggs, the foundation of muscle repair. Eggs act like a repair kit for aging muscles. They contain all 9 essential amino acids, including leucine, a nutrient that directly triggers the muscle building process. Seniors often struggle to absorb protein efficiently, but the protein in eggs is among the most bioavailable in the world. This means your body uses it easily and effectively. Eggs also bring something many seniors are missing: vitamin B12, which supports nerve function, balance, and coordination, and vitamin D, which helps strengthen both muscles and bones. When seniors restore these nutrients, they often notice that standing up feels easier and walking feels more stable. Scrambled eggs, boiled eggs, omelets with vegetables, or even a simple soft-boiled egg can give your muscles the raw material they need to rebuild. Food number 2, berries, the protectors of muscle cells. Berries may look small, but they provide huge protection for aging muscles. Every day, your body battles unstable molecules called free radicals. These molecules damage muscle cells, accelerate aging, and slow down recovery. Seniors feel this damage as stiffness, slower movement, and reduced endurance. Berries are loaded with antioxidants that neutralize these harmful molecules and shield your muscles from further decline. The deep colors of berries, red, blue, purple, come from anthocyanins, compounds proven to reduce inflammation and improve circulation. Better circulation means your muscles receive more oxygen and nutrients. This helps you walk longer distances, improves balance, and reduces the risk of falling. Berries also support collagen production, which strengthens the tissues connecting your muscles and joints. You can add berries to yogurt, oatmeal, smoothies, or simply enjoy a small bowl a few times per week. Fresh or frozen makes no difference nutritionally, both protect your muscles effectively. Food number 3, sweet potatoes, the premium fuel for tired legs. Sweet potatoes act like premium fuel for your leg muscles. When you age, your muscles become less efficient at storing and using energy. This is why walking upstairs, standing from a chair, or walking longer distances feels noticeably harder over the years. Sweet potatoes solve this problem by providing complex carbohydrates that break down slowly in your body, releasing a steady stream of energy your legs can rely on throughout the day. Their bright orange color comes from beta-carotene, a nutrient your body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A plays a powerful role in helping your muscles repair the tiny micro tears that occur when you move. Seniors often struggle with this repair process because it slows down naturally with age, leading to weaker muscles over time. Sweet potatoes help your body restore this ability. They are also rich in potassium, which prevents leg cramps, reduces stiffness, and improves muscle contractions. Many seniors experience nighttime cramps without realizing these cramps are a signal of low potassium. Sweet potatoes gently correct this imbalance and help muscles stay stable. You can enjoy them baked, mashed, roasted, or added into soups. Even half a medium sweet potato a few times a week makes a difference. Food number 4, lentils, steady strength from healthy plant protein. Lentils provide plant-based protein that is easy on the stomach and packed with essential minerals. They are rich in iron, which helps transport oxygen to your leg muscles. Low oxygen levels cause weakness, fatigue, and slower walking speeds. Lentils gently correct this and improve endurance. They also contain magnesium, potassium, and folate, all of which support muscle contraction, nerve function, and energy production. Lentils are extremely affordable and simple to prepare. Whether in soups, stews, salads, or as a warm side dish, lentils provide long-lasting strength for aging muscles. Food number 5, salmon, the deep tissue healer. Salmon works like natural muscle medicine. As you age, your muscles experience tiny microscopic damage every time you stand, walk, or climb stairs. Younger bodies repair this damage quickly, but seniors repair slowly, leading to gradual weakening. Salmon provides high-quality protein containing all essential amino acids required for muscle repair. Its real strength lies in its omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA. A study from Harvard revealed that omega-3s activate muscle protein synthesis, meaning they help your muscles rebuild faster and more completely. These omega-3s also reduce inflammation, improve blood flow, and enhance nerve function. Better nerve function leads to better balance. Better blood flow means more oxygen to the legs. Salmon also contains vitamin D for bone health and B vitamins that support energy production. Eating salmon 2 to 3 times a week, baked, grilled, or even canned, gives your body the fuel it needs to restore leg strength steadily over time. Food number 6, oats, the energy stabilizer for seniors. Think of oats as a long-lasting battery for your muscles. Many seniors feel good in the morning but slowly lose energy as the day progresses. By late afternoon, the legs feel heavy, the body feels tired, and everything takes more effort. Often, this is caused by unstable blood sugar. When blood sugar rises quickly and drops quickly, your muscles are left without steady fuel. Oats contain a special fiber called beta-glucan that slows the release of sugar into the bloodstream. Instead of a spike and crash, you get stable energy that lasts for hours. This is especially beneficial for seniors whose muscles fatigue quickly. Oats also contain iron, which your body needs to carry oxygen into your leg muscles. Low iron levels, common in older adults, can cause tired legs, shortness of breath, and weakness. Additionally, oats provide magnesium, a mineral that relaxes tight muscles and reduces cramps. Magnesium helps your muscles contract smoothly, which is essential for balance and coordination. A warm bowl of oatmeal, overnight oats, or even a smoothie with blended oats can provide all these benefits. Food number 7, avocados, the anti-inflammatory comfort food. Avocados act like a soothing balm for aging muscles and joints. With age, inflammation becomes one of the biggest enemies of muscle strength. Inflammation works silently, tightening joints, reducing flexibility, slowing muscle recovery, and making your legs feel stiff in the mornings. Avocados contain healthy monounsaturated fats that calm this internal inflammation and provide steady nourishment to muscle tissue. They are surprisingly rich in potassium, more than bananas, which helps regulate muscle contractions, prevent cramps, and support balance. Seniors often have low potassium without realizing it, and this leads to that familiar heavy leg sensation. The vitamin E in avocados acts as an antioxidant shield, protecting your muscle cells from damage caused by free radicals. What makes avocados truly special is their ability to help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, and K, vitamins essential for muscle repair and bone strength. Adding avocado slices to salads, blending them into smoothies, or spreading mashed avocado on whole grain toast is an easy way to integrate this powerful food into your routine. Food number 8, Greek yogurt, the recovery booster. Greek yogurt offers twice the protein of regular yogurt and contains both whey and casein proteins. Whey works quickly to repair muscle damage, while casein works slowly to provide long-lasting nourishment. This combination is perfect for seniors whose bodies need constant support throughout the day. Greek yogurt also contains probiotics that improve digestion. Better digestion means your body absorbs more nutrients from all the other foods you eat. If your body cannot absorb nutrients well, even the healthiest foods will not strengthen your muscles. Greek yogurt solves this problem and enhances your body's ability to rebuild muscle tissue. Adding berries, nuts, honey, or oats makes it even more powerful. Now before we continue, I want you to pause and imagine something. Picture yourself 1 year from now, walking confidently, climbing stairs without hesitation, standing from a chair without pushing with your arms, and moving through your day with steady, reliable legs. Imagine playing with your grandchildren or walking through a park with a sense of freedom. Type stronger legs in the comments if that is the future you want. I want to share a brief story about Dorothy, a 74-year-old grandmother from Michigan. When Dorothy first reached out to me, she could barely climb the stairs to her bedroom. Her daughter worried she would soon need assistance for daily tasks. Dorothy began slowly. She added oats to her breakfast, ate salmon twice a week, and included sweet potatoes in her dinners. She was not perfect. Some days she skipped, but she remained consistent. After 3 weeks, she could climb her stairs again. After a few months, she walked 2 miles with her grandchildren, something she once believed she would never do again. Your journey can begin the same way, with one small step today. Let me answer a question many seniors ask me. Do you need to eat all 8 foods every day? Absolutely not. What matters is including them regularly in your weekly routine. You might have Greek yogurt with berries on Monday, eggs with avocado on Wednesday, salmon with sweet potatoes on Friday, and lentil soup on Sunday. These small, consistent choices feed your muscles with the strength they need to rebuild. Before I end, I want to remind you of something powerful. Your legs are your freedom. When your legs stay strong, you stay independent. You stay in control. You stay active. Aging does not mean becoming weak. It means giving your body the right conditions to thrive. If you found value in this message, subscribe to this channel so you never miss the senior health guidance you deserve. Share this video with another senior in your life. It may protect their independence and even prevent a dangerous fall. Save this video so you can return to it whenever you plan meals. And stay tuned for my next video, where I reveal the simple 3-minute morning movement that doubles the power of these foods and activates your leg muscles instantly, even while sitting. If you are ready to begin this new chapter, type day 1 in the comments. Your future self will thank you.